Kiran. Good afternoon. Welcome to Crio.
Good afternoon, Masta.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing great. So, how are you feeling now after getting a job offer?
Actually, first of all, I'm relieved. Okay, I was actually in a hunt for a job and feeling that I won't get a job. So that feeling and having a job and also building my career, and with this I can even build my other skills also. In terms of everything, this is good. I'm happy also.
That's correct. Getting relieved.
Yes.
So, how was your interview experience?
It was pretty good. I mean, there are some scenario-based questions. How would you tackle in this situation? And what are the projects that you already did? In concept, they have asked me about Docker. I have learned it. I know how to use it. But the things that how to implement in a production grade, how to do the networking. So these are some things that I not know clearly. So what I did is, so these are my plans. I have an idea to learn these things. I have to implement it. I'm thinking to actually buy a server to learn this. So they thought that it was good. Just ask one or two questions. I mean, for they will be always open if there are any questions.
That's great. So being honest is one thing, being genuine.
Yes.
That really worked out for you in the interview round.
Yes.
That's great. And how was your Crio experience overall?
Like when I joined, actually they have told me like you'll get placed, just learn for the person. So what I did is just started learning it. After some sprints and some time, I got messages or I'll see people were telling Crio is fake or some other things that they are doing. So there are some negative things. So I thought I was seeing those things, I got little demotivated also. So for some little bit time, I was also not doing anything, just feeling that kind of where did I even start? So after that, chalo, if Crio is not doing, at least I can trust myself. No. I started doing again all the things. Started learning. Where I paused, I started from there. Recently, I've just moved to referral pool only. It's been like 2 weeks or 3 weeks, maybe.
2-3 weeks, just referral pool.
Yes.
Oh wow.
So before that, I used to make apply for so many jobs. Not even a single interviewer will be interested in or just giving me a call. So after this here, at least I'm getting calls from interviewers. So what happening is, if I don't answer them, that is fine. It is my mistake or something happened. At least they are giving a chance to showcase my skills or my talent. So this is what I want. I needed an opportunity to showcase. So this has actually helped me a very lot.
That's great. So exposure, how was the team support overall in these 2-3 weeks when you went to the referral pool?
Yes, that one is actually good. Whenever I was having a doubt, and even my POC Arnab. So what he told was, Kiran, I told even these things also. Arnab, these things happening. I'm getting some kind of negatives also. I'm like, Kiran, if you are feeling like that, also sad, also just call me. Sometimes when you talk with somebody, at least don't talk with talk about interviews preparation.
Correct.
Just tell your day, man, how is it going. Give me some strength in my emotions also.
Correct.
After that, anyways, he gave me some supports, and if there are any interviews that scheduled, they would give me a heads up for that, and they would give me a small preparation session for all that also. Knowing and being in that environment, it will set our mindset. I never been like this. I mean, I'm just doing myself, not taking any applying or something like that. This is the situation that I'm doing. It actually helped me to set a mindset how to get prepared and being serious also. One thing is be serious. I mean, it's like have fun, spend your time with family, friends, do everything. Just be serious.
That's great actually. And having this confidence for 9 to 12 months, hearing different things about Crio, still believing in the team. I believe you did a great job.
Yeah.
What are the 2 or 3 things that you would like to share to our learners? People who would be coming to the referral pool. What would be your suggestions to them? As well as you mentioned about being serious. Apart from that, what do you would like to mention?
First thing is, first and foremost thing is first be prepared, okay? And I have been yesterday also I had an interview. I had also made a mistake that interview was gonna ask me very tough one. So I had very focused on that one. But he was asking very basics only. So be thorough and very strong with basics, and just use a core language only. Don't use any other libraries or something like that to make that. Do all the thing that in a native language only. So first one is that, so that be prepared for that and be very confident in what your languages you're learning. Second one is always I'm telling this one, keep hope on yourself. That will actually take you. Third one is just be humble. Anybody, just be humble. Nothing.
Got it. Thank you so much for believing in us and having confidence. We wish you very good. You have a great journey ahead. Congratulations once again.
Thank you
so much for coming here.
Thank you.
Thank you.